I hope everybody are okay, safe with your family. We would like to welcome you all to Nazih Group Education Center. I am Nazih Hamad, the founder and CEO of Nazih Group. I would like to let you know what is our plan for the education center during this period with the COVID-19, which already affect all the world. For that, we must all of us respect all the regulation from the Ministry of Health in all the country, and to respect the healthy instruction and the social distance. We must have a big challenge to continue our life, to continue our business, and to support our customer, our client, ourselves, our community. We invest and develop our training center. Actually, it was launched before 10 years, our education center in Dubai and all GCC country where Nazih Group are present. It was before the training and education as normal, as a standard, as classic training and education. But during the last 6 months with the pandemic, we was forced to move to our future to virtual training and education. I would like to thank all our team at the education center. They are very well trained, professional, educated to provide you with all information you require.
Hello everybody from Nazih Education Center. This is Joe, the International Trainer and Education Manager at Nazih-Cosmetics. It's my pleasure to introduce our Education Center and our amazing team that we work together to support our client with trainings and hands-on.
My name is Tatiana. I'm an international certified nail trainer. I work in Nazih Group since 2015. My experience, I started 20 years ago in Russia as nail technician. I love my job up to now. I work as educator, and I'm happy to share my knowledge with my client, with girls who want to master a new profession, who want to improve them skills as well. So I know how it's important education. I passed a lot of courses, I passed a lot of training, and up to now I'm continue to do this, to improve myself, to be as professional as an educator.
This is Ali from Nazih Education Center. I'm proud to be a part of Nazih Education Group, as I have 30 years experience in beauty industry. I never stop learning, same time I still sharing my knowledge. I love to share all my knowledge with top hairdresser and salon owner.
Hi, I'm Lala, the hair educator for Nazih Group. I've been in the industry since 2002 for 18 years now. I'm here to help you to achieve extraordinary and to excel in your job. We are doing a lot of training inside the education center and in the salons, so you're welcome to our education center.
Hi everyone, this is Siham from Nazih Education Center. I have been with Nazih Group since 2012 as a skincare trainer with 15 years experience in the beauty industry. Serving you with professionalism is our mission. We are providing in-salon training, group training in our education center. We are waiting for you, seminar and more.
Hey everyone, this is Alexandra. I'm international nail care trainer from Nazih Education Center. So I started working in beauty industry 13 years back in Ukraine. In the beginning it was just a hobby. After that it's grown up in something more. It's become a passion for me, and during all this time I always pass course, different type of courses, and I improve my knowledge and skills to become a professional trainer. Nowadays I can support you in educational and practical part. In our training we are using two main
international brands. It's OPI and artistic brand. We have different type of product which you would love to work with.
My name is Linda, skincare specialist trainer with 20 years experience in beauty field, and I'm proud to be one of Nazih family's member. Here in our education center, our expert skincare team providing the best advanced training technique to our valued customer by respecting the full brand's concept. I would like to thank all our customers for their trust, and a big thank you also for our supplier, Guinot Paris, Dr. Renault France, and Casmara Spain for their full support.
My journey started in beauty industry since 1998, and I am proud to be son of hairdresser, hair artist. Thank you, Dad, for all the support and all the education that I have from you. I believe in education. I passed a lot of trainings and courses during my lifetime and up to now to improve my skills. We travel almost all over the world, from US to Europe to Asia as well, all over GCC and Middle East. So to give trainings, to have trainings to support our client as well, like to keep up to date, that we can share our knowledge with our client.
On the same time, our supplier, brand international supplier, who are committed with us to support us, and they have done a lot of meeting, a lot of training online to our customer, to our training, and to train the trainer. So we take this pandemic and lockdown as an advantage to improve our education and to improve our team, to improve the knowledge of our hairdressers worldwide, not only in our market, because we do training to all our customers. Also, it's free of charge. There is no charge. Only we need you to be present with us. We are proud to say that we have over 200 showrooms allocated in all GCC and North Africa country where Nazih Trading are present. And the same in other country where we are not present, we are in association with our customer or distributor to provide full product, service, education to all salon, to update them about all new. What we have as Nazih Trading is we are now commit with our hairdressers, with the beauty industry, to support all beauty salons, support them with education, support them with the financial. If they want to have any kind of financial support, we are ready. We are also offering high quality product with expected price, with value, with education, with support, which cover all level of the market, from the high level, medium level, low level. So what you expect, we can provide you. We need your support. We are committed with you, and also we would like from you to follow us in all social media. We are available in all kind of social media. Our team are ready to serve you. If there is anything you would like us to do, please let us know. We will be more than happy to support you, and our commitment is to support the beauty industry, to develop the beauty industry, to support our committee where we are available. I wish you all the best, and we will see you next time soon. Thank you very much.